bend over to kind of so you can grab all the hair. Okay, and you're just gonna lock it into place like that and slide it down. And we're gonna cut. And so you're gonna cut all this hair down here depending on how long you want your hair. So the further down you slide, the longer the hair will be. Okay, so I don't want to cut too much off, but I'm probably going to cut about that much. So I recommend everybody to first make sure the level is flushed like this and clip it and comb the hair at least one time because it has teeth. That's going to comb and hold the hair in place. So I do this about at least one or two times just to distribute the hair evenly. Okay, so what's great about the CreaClip is it holds it all in place, makes it easy for you to cut. And you're going to slide it down like this. Let me look in the mirror where it's at. Okay, yeah, I think I like it that length. Maybe just a little bit longer. Because I'm going to also cut layers. I want to cut my hair in layers. But I want to cut it so you can see the difference, okay? So I think this is good. So you're going to slide it down right there. Okay? And then you're going to squeeze tight. Squeeze it really tight, okay? Because once you hold it in place, you can actually turn it any direction, making it easier for you to cut. So I'm gonna cut about that much off to show you how it's gonna make more of an oval, okay? So now you can cut it home in a straight, if you want it straight across like this, you can just cut and make it really straight. But my hair is fine, so I always cut it in an angle like this. See that? Oops. Yeah, cut an angle like that. That way it's more soft. And so if it's easier for you to turn it like this to cut, you can do that because it's already clipped and you hold it tight. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. And you wanna position your fingers so that you don't cut your fingers. So I find it pretty easy to just turn it this way sideways for me so I can really see. And I cut in an angle like this. You see how it's all like uneven like that? Because that way it's more of a soft texture because my hair is really fine. Okay, so then that's what you're gonna get this straight across cut here. Let me just comb it up too, show you what it looks like. So this is gonna create more of an oval in the back. So I'm showing you the difference of creating a V-shaped layer to a more of an oval shaped layer. Okay, so this is the one length. This is how you would do the one length on your hair. Okay, see the difference? How it's like more straight. It looks fuller. Okay, let me show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, so in the back, it creates a more of like a oval like that. Okay, it's a little hard for me to comb it out. So you can you see? Which it creates. Okay, should I brush it some more? How's it? Okay, a little bit harder for me to comb it. How's that? Can you see? So it's more of an oval straight across, makes it look fuller. Earlier it was like more of a V. Okay, so there's that look. Let me turn around one more time so you can see what it looks like. Okay? All right, so then now I'm going to show you how to layer it. And because right now, look, if you can see the front part, let me just show you what it looks like. So right now it's straight across, right? And the layers are this long. So now I'm actually going to layer it now to show you the complete opposite haircut. So this CreaClip is great because it makes it easy for you to actually cut your hair at home because it combs the hair all in once. It's like gathering all your hair and cutting it all at once. And when you do that, it's more even because as a hairstylist, we have to like comb section, and bring it all together. Whereas the CreaClip just now, I was able to cut it all in one shot. It's connected and it's balanced. And instead of me sectioning, I'm just cutting it all at once. That's why you can do these haircuts in 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna show you the layer haircut, okay? This is my favorite cut. I always do this haircut because it's really takes only 60 seconds. Okay, so first you're just gonna flip your hair over. Make sure you comb out all your knots and tangles. It's day 5 inside of self-isolation, so I've been at home and I kind of want a fresh new haircut just to feel better, look better. I find whenever I get done do my hair, I feel more beautiful. So why not show you guys how to do some new techniques while we're at home and we can't go anywhere at this time. Okay, so it's very easy. You comb your hair forward like this. Okay, get all the knots and tangles out. And then you're gonna just kind of hold your hair like that, clip it into place. See that? And I'm just going to make sure the level's in the middle. Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna slowly pull it down. Let me turn around so you can see what I have here. See, I have the level, you know, in the middle, and then I'm just going to slide it down. Keep sliding it down. And because I already cut a bunch of length off, I'm not gonna cut too much off, but I'm gonna cut it so it's more layered, okay? And you see how it's falling on the sides? That's a good thing. That's telling me the length in the back is gonna be long. So I always do this thing where I pull it and I see where it starts to fall. Then I know that's about where I don't wanna cut more than that, okay? So let me show you one more time. I usually comb the hair with the CreaClip one time to make the hair more evenly distributed, and it helps make it more even when you clip it like this, comb it, okay? You see that? So I'm gonna clip it, comb, see? Comb it perfectly positioned, okay? Clip it again, and then lock it in place, and slide it down, make the level in the middle, and I'm just going to slowly, I think I would like to actually take a little bit off more. Okay, see how it's falling on the sides? That's what I want. I want to slide it until these start falling, because that's the back of my hair. I want to keep it long. And I'm going to cut, okay, in an angle like this again, because that's how I want the hair to be textured. Okay. It looks like I'm cutting a lot off, doesn't it? But it's not. It's the front layers. And you'll see, this is the back of my hair. See? It's gonna stay long. And see that? That's gonna create the layers for me. Okay? Let me show you what it looks like. See how it's like you get more movement? And now you see how my layers are like there now? Before it was further down, right? Let me, I don't know, can you see a little bit? Let me pull it all on one side so you can see. Yeah, good. And then this side, let me just split. Let me show you back too, okay? So that it creates more of a V layered shape in the back. This is how I kind of like it, because once I curl it, or when I get out of the beach, the water with the salt water, it just creates that beautiful movement and body. So you see, this is how it looks like, more of a, you know, like a V layered shape, whereas earlier it was more of an oval, straight across look. Okay, V. Oh, can you see? Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Perfect layers. You see how it's great, V-shaped in the back. See that? See, now you got lots of layers like this. And remember earlier, I pulled this out to show you what it looks like. Now it's like about here. Earlier it was down here. So this is going to create me a lot more body when I curl my hair. There's the CreaClip. When you purchase, I have the large and small size. And I also have a professional hair cutting scissors if you need. Right there. And they're small so that you can actually travel with them, even though we're not allowed to travel right now. So this is what you get. And let me go ahead and curl the hair, and I'll post it on there what it looks like afterwards. Okay? That's the CreaClip layer cut and the CreaClip straight across cut, but it's actually in an oval. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe during this time, and aloha. Just curling the hair now, so you can see what the CreaClip layer haircut looks like. Okay, see it? Now that I curled it, you can really see all the different layers, right? You can see the layers much better. Yeah, looks good, guys. Let's see the back. I'm just showing you the end result of what my CreaClip layer haircut that I just did. See how it creates like a V shape? And I can see all the body that I have now that I've cut it shorter with the layers. See, looks good. See the different layers on both sides. And like I said, I can flip it this side, I can flip it the other side, I can do it more like in the middle.